Hello everyone, my name is Đang. I'm 4 years old. I'm a panda class, Redbean kindergarten, campus 5. I'm very happy to be in the final round of the ending sound challenge. I want to be the winner. Now let's get started. House, beach, mouse, school, cook, crate, shelf, map, peace, forest, dish, door, box, meat, desk, knife. Bye, see you next time.
Yes.